Hello everyone, in this video hosting reviews will host two industry giants in web hosting, but which one is the best for your website? Let's dive into this hosting reviews will host comparison to discover their strength, weakness and which provider meet suit you better. Price and plan. Both providers offer affordable starter shared hosting plan. Here, the breakdown. Bluehost start at a slightly low price, but their starter plan include only 10 GB of storage and supports just one website hosting. On the other hand, offer 100 GB of storage and allow hosting up to 100 websites on their starter plan, giving significantly better value for user with larger need. Both plan include free domain name, free SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth, professional email account for even cheaper price. Check the discount link in the description. Renewal price, promotion price are only valid for the first term. After that, renewal rate kick in. Hostinger renewal price are Rogel double the initial rate. Bluehost renewal price jump by 3-4 times the initial rate. Hostinger offer better long term affordability, especially for those option for their 4-year plan, while Bluehost may be more suitable for short-term project security feature. Both providers include e-sessional security tools like free SSL certificate, protection against DOS attack, automatic backup. However, Hostinger include weekly backup on cheaper plan and daily backup on higher tier plan. Bluehost provide daily backup but only for the first year, after which you need to pay extra for the future. While Bluehost offer more security add-on for purchase, Hostinger include more out of the box security feature. Ease of use. Bluehost offer a clean minimalist dashboard suitable for beginner. It also uses panel, a family interface for advanced users. Hostinger panel is slightly more complete but update and optimize with new features regularly added. Bluehost Central better to more both beginner and experienced user, but Hostinger's rapid improvement may soon make it a worth competitor website builder. Hostinger include a modern website builder with every plan. It's easy to use and great for simple project. Through its may lack advanced customization option, Bluehost relies on a WordPress based builder. While functional, it's prone to bug and has fewer features compared to WordPress plugin. Performance comparison. Both provide performed well in speed test, meeting Google recommendation. 2.5-second load time for better SEO. Here are the results. Hostinger loaded in 1.3 seconds. Bluehost loaded in 2 seconds. Hostinger not only loaded faster but also better overall performance, making it ideal for user speed. Final. Both Hostinger and Bluehost are among the best web hosting providers. However, choose Bluehost If you want an easier dashboard or require specify, add one. Choose hosting if you speed, affordability, and a built-in website builder. Check out the discount link in the description for the best deal, and don't forget like to comment and subscribe for more hosting comparison. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.